limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, sin x minus x plus x cube by 6 whole power x power 5. This is actually 0 by 0 form. So apply L'Hopital's rule. Apply L'Hopital's rule. Limit x tends to 0, cos x, derivative of sin x, cos x, derivative of x value 1, plus derivative of x cube 3x square by 6 by 5 into x power 4. 5 into x power 4. 2 times cancel. Put x value 0. Cos 0 value 1. Minus 1. 1 minus 1 0. 0. So this is also equal to 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. So again apply derivative formulas. Limit x tends to 0. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of any constant 0. Derivative of x square 2x by these 2. 2 to cancel by 5 into x power n. n into x power n minus 1. Substitute x value 0, sin 0, 0. This is also equal to 0. So this is also 0 by 0 form. Again apply third time derivatives. Limit x tends to 0 minus derivative of sin x equal to cos x. Derivative of sin x equal cos x. Derivative of x value 1. Derivative of x value 1 by 60 into 3x square. 3x square. Next. This is also 0 by 0 form. Again take derivatives. Minus limit x tends to 0 minus derivative of cos x minus sin x. Minus into minus plus sin x. Plus sin x. 60 into 3. 180. 5 into 4. 20. 20 into 3. 20 into 3x square. So 60 into derivative of x square 2x. So sin theta by theta value 1 by 2 into 60. 120. So answer is 1 by 120. We apply 3 times derivative formulas. Given problem in the form of 0 by 0. So take the derivatives. First time derivatives. In this case also we get 0 by 0 form. Again take derivatives. In this case also we get 0 by 0 form. Take third time derivatives. 1 minus cos x by 20 x cube derivative 3x square. This is also equal to 0 by 0 form. So sin x by x. Sin x by x value 1. So 1 by 120. Next, limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos of 1 minus cos x by x power 4. X power 4. We apply this formula. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos ax by x square equal to a square by 2. A square by 2. See, limit 1 minus cos 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x whole square 1 minus cos x whole square by this x power 4 is this one. Multiply and divide. Multiply and divide with 1 minus cos x whole square. So 1 minus cos ax by x square equal to a square by 2. Observe this one. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x by x square whole square. X square whole square equal to x power 4. Again this formula. 1 minus cos ax by x square. A square by 2. A square by 2. This whole square is this one. So finally, numerator value 1. 2 square value 4. 4 into 2 equal to 8. So answer is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. 1 minus cos x. Multiply divide with 1 minus cos x whole square by x power 4. By x power 4. We apply a square by 2 formula. X square whole square. Again we apply same formula. So answer is 1 by 8. Next. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. X into 2 power x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x. There is 1 minus cos x, but there is no by x square. So divide both numerator and denominator with x square. Limit x tends to 0. X into 2 power x minus 1 by x square. 1 minus cos x by x square. In the numerator, limit x tends to 0. A power x minus 1 by x equal to log A. Log A formula. Log A. We apply this formula in this place. So numerator log 2. Denominator this formula a square by 2. Take its reciprocal 2 log 2 or log 2 square. Log 2 square value 4. Log 2 square value 4. So divide with x square. X cancel. This is log A formula. This is this formula 1 minus cos x by x square. A square by 2, a value 1. So take the reciprocal, 2 log 2, log 2 square, log 2 square value 4. Next.